Hello guys, my name is David and today I'm going to explain about what I've done in my mini project. My mini project got a title. The title we've given to it is Find the Way Out. And here, as we can see, it simply states that finding your way out is from moving from one place to another. So here, this is an applet where I've set the size of 350 to 300, and I've given a background color, and I've created four buttons which are very important in moving the object from one place to another. So these buttons have been placed in a layout called flow layout, and they are named as right, left, up and down. I add these four buttons, and each button has got an action listener uh, where we interact with the applet, telling whenever I click the specified button what it's supposed to do. So what it's supposed to do is defined inside the action listener. When the action is performed, for example, when we say right, like B1, what action is performed is x is the x coordinate is incremented by 10 and it is repainted. Similarly, for left, x value is decremented by 10 and repainted. And similarly for y coordinate, when up button up is pressed and when down is pressed, y is incremented by 10 and repainted. So that's when the actual program takes place, like moving the circle up and down. And here another important thing is I've created two circles, where one circle is moving, where there is movement for one circle and the other is fixed. So the moving circle has to reach the end of the fixed circle for it to finish the game, and I've given it some specified path through which it has to move through, and I've given it some lines for defining the path. And after that, I've uh, set the set the circles as color black and fill arc at the coordinate 300 250 with a diameter of 10 and with an arc angle of 0 to 360 where it completes the whole circle. So now let's just look at the output of the program. So here we get so this is this screen. The size of this applet is 350 by 300 pixels, and here once I click down it keeps moving and goes up. Here it does not move right and left because it is not allowed to move right and left. Then I come down and I go right, and once it's here it does not go up and does not go down because it should not cross this path. And then we keep moving right. Then once we reach here we go down, and the same thing applies here, that it should not move left and right. Now once I reach the end point, you can see a message printed that you win. And now once again if I move away from the point it goes up, and here we can see that you win again. And this is my program for mini project in Java, which is named Find Your Way Out. And thank you guys for sparing.